Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are delving into the fascinating realm where technology breathes new life into our photos. We are testing an impressive software that claims to convert normal videos into 4K resolution, thanks to Topaz Labs. Essentially, it is like giving your normal home videos and cherished archival footage a second chance at glory. Join me as we explore whether this AI-driven software lives up to the hype. But before we jump into the software's magic, let us take a moment to appreciate how artificial intelligence and machine learning are reshaping our world. What was once thought impossible is now happening right before our eyes. Recently, I came across Topaz Video Enhanced AI, and I couldn't help but wonder if it could upscale videos, eliminate compression, artifacts, and bring back missing details. So, let's put it to the test. Just to clarify, this video is not sponsored. I'm genuinely curious to see if this software can become a go-to choice for converting normal videos to 4K. First things first, let us open the Topaz software. If you're unsure about how to do that, no worries, I've got you covered with a dedicated video on getting started with Topaz. There, you'll find step-by-step instructions for creating an account and downloading the application to your desktop. Since I'm using the free plan, our journey begins with a free demo option. This lets us explore Topaz capabilities without any initial commitment. Once you have selected free demo, the next step is to click Browse to pick the video you want to transform into a stunning 4K masterpiece. Now, let us turn our attention to the right-hand side of the interface, where you will find a range of tools and options. At this stage, our main goal is to activate the enhancement feature, which serves as the catalyst for the transformation process. Additionally, we'll opt for the progressive video type to ensure a seamless, high-quality enhancement fitting for 4K resolution. Then click Preview to see the difference. As you can see, there is a noticeable improvement. However, our target is a 4K video. Conveniently located in the upper right-hand corner is a crucial tool, the resolution control. Let's click on it. After doing so, you will see various options, but for our quest to achieve 4K excellence, let us select the 4K upscale option. Before we view the ultimate 4K image, could you kindly do me a favor? If you are interested in discovering additional video enhancing and upscaling tools on various platforms, this channel is a tailor-made for you. In the upcoming video, I'll be presenting more AI-powered tools, so I encourage you to subscribe to stay informed and updated. Okay, moving on. After selecting 4K, click Preview once more. Get ready to be amazed, because what you are about to witness is truly awe-inspiring. Incredible! If you zoom in, you will notice a stark contrast between the enhanced 4K video and the original. It is like night and day. The clarity and detail are astonishing. In summary, Topaz Video Enhanced AI has demonstrated its ability to significantly enhance the quality of your normal footage. While it won't perform miracles like turning SD into native 4K, and it may not work flawlessly with every clip, it serves as a solid choice for upscaling, removing compressions artifacts, and improving clarity. However, it has come with a premium price tag of $299 for a license. Now, here is a question for you. Would you be willing to invest the much to enhance the quality of your cherished archival footage? I am eager to hear your thoughts, so please share them in the comments below. I genuinely hope that this video has not only provided you with valuable information, but has also proven to be a helpful resource for your specific needs. If you have more questions, encounter new inquiries, or need further guidance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us and comment down below. Our team is always here, eager to assist you on your journey. As we wrap up this video, I want to leave you with a sense of anticipation. Our next video promises even more insights, tips, and strategies to enrich your experience. So, stay tuned to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.